In this video, we are going to learn how to leverage the AWS EKS integration from inside of Lens. So to do that, in your Lens desktop application, go to EKS and then click on Add AWS Profile. And in here, you're going to see multiple options that you can choose from. But for this video, we're going to focus on signing in with AWS SSO. So to do that, we're going to click on Next. And then we're going to copy our SSO start URL. And now we can click on Next again. And we can open the SSO authorization inside of our browser. We should confirm that the code matches. And we can see it does. And we're going to click on Allow. And the request was approved successfully. And now you can choose the AWS role you want to use. I'll choose one of them and click on Next. And now we can see the AWS profile was added successfully, and we can see all the clusters this role has access to.